my Gurudev asking me to let the people do at least the prayer of forgiveness. One of the most important thing that you can do is prayer of forgiveness. This is one thing which is required for almost for everyone because of the to overcome the karmic baggage we have, to overcome the burden that we are carrying from our past, and also the burden of the karmas we are carrying from our with anyone. You know, karma is something where nobody, even the God doesn't cannot help us. You know why? The main problem with the karma is that it's between you and the other person with which the karma was created. Now, when people say that, why can't God helps me out in overcoming this particular problem? If God is so capable, why is not helping me out? The problem is that God may be able to forgive you because he's so compassionate. The problem is with people. If your karma is with some other person, and that person is not forgiving you, definitely God cannot interfere at all. It's between you and the other person. God doesn't have any say in that. Two people are fighting. Who is God to take care of them? No. Both sometime, for example, the father does the two children are having some kind of fight. When they are fighting, father can just request the other person to forgive him or her, but nothing can be forced out. You can understand this, right? So this is something which my Gurudev is asking me to tell you, that the prayer of forgiveness is must for everyone. We call it like Mafi Prarthana, the prayer of forgiveness, and this is how it goes. So let's do this with full faith, full love, and utmost belief. The prayer of forgiveness. Let's do it. Let's do this beautiful prayer along with the beautiful music in the background. Right. So we start with you. To do this prayer, we must have the background of like for what we are asking for forgiveness. We have committed so many sins, so many negative karmas with other people, sometime knowing, sometime not knowing. Sometimes somebody have done a lot of negative things to us, and we are unable to forgive him or her. So this is how we have to deal with this karma. We have to ask for prayer of forgiveness. Let's start with this prayer with anybody in the background in your mind. Like, okay, I ask for forgiveness to my divine Father, my Master, my Sadguru, my deity, or the Supreme God. So I ask that. Let's start. Have a lot of love, compassion, and a feeling of love towards the entire humanity, and let's do this prayer for the entire humanity. It says like, my beloved Master, my Sadguru, God, my guide, please help me to forgive. Take the burden of unforgiveness and bitterness away from me. मुझे माफ करने में मदद कीजिए. मेरे अंदर से जो कड़वाहट है, जो दर्द है, उसे दूर करने में मदद कीजिए। हे प्रभु, help me to forgive. Take the burden of unforgiveness and bitterness away from me. Help me to give up my right to get even, because my mind always keeps asking that if he has done something bad, I must also do. But no, here I'm not asking to get even. Free me from the toxic emotions that are keeping me in the painful grip of the past. My master, please help me out. My beloved, please help me out. Free me from the toxic emotions that are keeping me in the painful grip of the past. I want to forgive as you have forgiven me. I forgive others. I may not feel like forgiving, but I know with your strength and in your power, I can forgive. Please help me to forgive. Please help me to forgive. My master, please help me to forgive. I know I need to forgive for real healing to happen. I know. I need to forgive for real healing to happen. I do this translation for people like मुझे आप पर भरोसा है कि आप उस व्यक्ति के साथ न्यायपूर्वक व्यवहार करेंगे जिसने मेरा उल्लंघन किया, मेरे साथ अन्याय किया। ये न्याय मैं आप पर छोड़ता हूँ। My master, please forgive me. My master, please forgive me. Please forgive me. Let's ask for this divine forgiveness. We ask this forgiveness again and again to the master. I don't want to fight with the negativity. I trust you to deal justly with the person who has violated and wronged me. I leave the justice up to you. I don't want to be overcome with evil, but desire to overcome evil with good by forgiving. मैं किसी इंसान के साथ ऐसा व्यवहार नहीं करना चाहता, बुराई को बुराई से नहीं जीतना चाहता, बल्कि क्षमा के द्वारा माफ करके अच्छाई पर बुराई से विजय पाना बुराई पर अच्छाई से विजय पाना चाहता हूं। I'm confident in your word, which proclaims I can do all things through you, who gives me strength. मुझे आप पर भरोसा है जब आप ये कहते हैं कि मैं तेरे द्वारा सब कुछ कर सकता हूं, ये मुझे ताकत देता है। I will surrender my unforgiveness to you and forgive. Thank you, my master and savior. मैं अपनी सारी फीलिंग्स को आपके आगे सरेंडर करता हूं। हे परमेश्वर, हे प्रभु, हे मेरे इष्ट देव, मुझे क्षमा करें, मेरी गलती माफ करें। प्लीज फॉरगिव मी and help me to forgive others. I have committed infinite sins in my previous births, and I seek forgiveness in that regard. I seek your forgiveness, and I seek your strength to forgive others. Please give me power. Oh, my master benign, give me power, give me strength, so that I can forgive others. Please give me power. Please give me power. Give me the strength, Master. Please give me strength. I forgive all and I seek forgiveness through you. I seek forgiveness to those whom I have committed any kind of sins, any kind of mistakes, either by words, by actions, or by intentions. I seek forgiveness. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. मन वचन कर्म से अगर मैंने कभी किसी का दिल दुखाया हो, किसी को तकलीफ दी हो, तो मुझे माफ करें, मुझे माफ करें, मुझे क्षमा करें, मुझे माफ करें। हे प्रभु, हे परमात्मा, मुझे क्षमा करें। मेरे दिल में प्यार पैदा करें, मेरे दिल में डिवाइन लव पैदा करें, प्रेम पैदा करें। हे परमात्मा, हे परमेश्वर, fill my heart with your divine love। हे सतगुरु, मेरे दिल को अपने प्रेम से भर दीजिए, मेरे दिल को अपने प्रेम से भरपूर कर दीजिए। मैं बार बार प्रार्थना करता हूँ परमात्मा के आगे, हे परमेश्वर, मेरी गलती क्षमा करें। मैं हर तरह से आपको अपने आप को सेक्रीफाइस करता हूँ आपके चरणों में। प्रभु, मुझे क्षमा करें, मुझे क्षमा करें। मैं हर उस इंसान के प्रति भी प्रेम पूर्वक झुककर नमस्कार करता हूँ, धन्यवाद करता हूँ, अपनी गलतियों के लिए क्षमा मांगता हूँ। मुझे माफ करें, मुझे माफ करें प्रभु, मुझे माफ करें, मुझे माफ करें। उस इंसान के प्रति भी मैं गलतियों के लिए क्षमा मांगता हूँ जिसके प्रति जाने या अनजाने में मैंने कोई कर्म किया हो। I ask and I seek forgiveness to those with whom I have committed any kind of bad karmic by words, intentions, or deeds. I seek forgiveness. I seek forgiveness. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Thank you very much. Thank you for forgiving me. Thank you for blessing me. Thank you for blessing me. Blessing me. Bless me, my Master. Bless me, my Master, Divine Father. Bless me. Bless me. Thank you so much. Thank you.